Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22. Doca. Imagine a time when computer mice looked way different than they do now. But hey, aren't we lucky? We've got something amazing called the Inventions, and it's like a dream come true for just $70. So, what's so cool about the Doca mouse? Well, let me tell you. First off, it's got this awesome 5-inch LED touchscreen that's as slick as can be. And get this, it can keep running for up to 56 hours on just one charge. Plus, it's super lightweight, only 113 grams, so it won't feel like a brick in your hand. But wait, there's more. The Doca mouse comes with this neat software that's like your personal assistant. You can easily drag and drop all your favorite shortcuts, tools, and widgets from your favorite programs right onto the screen. No more digging through menus to find what you need. Flextail Max Up Pump. The Flextail Max Up Pump's so amazing. It's super smart and efficient. It has 3 smart modes to choose from and a handy digital display to keep you in the loop. Plus, it's got an automatic shut-off feature and remembers your last settings, so you can pick up right where you left off. But that's not all. This pump is a real speed demon. It can pump up to 360 liters of air per minute, which means you'll be out on the water in no time. And don't worry about it overheating, because its clever design keeps it cool even during marathon pumping sessions. Now let's talk about convenience. The Flextail Max Up Pump comes with a powerful battery with a capacity of 9,600 milliamp hours. And get this, despite all its power, Robot Pinot lamp. Imagine the Robot Pinot lamp, and it's no ordinary light fixture. For just $100, you're getting a lamp that's smarter than your average Joe. So what's the big deal with the Pinot lamp? Well, get ready to be impressed. First off, it's got 3 cool modes that let you customize your lighting experience. You can even set it to respond to a specific color. How neat is that? But wait, there's more. This lamp is like a multitasking master. It's got a wireless charger built right into the base, so you can power up your gadgets while you work or relax. And get this, it can rotate a full 160 degrees, giving you the perfect angle every time. But the real magic happens when you connect it to your smartphone. Silent Ventus. Introducing the Silent Ventus Standout. Well, it's all about the power of ions. Here's how it works. Instead of traditional engines, the Silent Ventus uses something called ionic propulsion. It's pretty cool. An electromagnetic field zaps nitrogen and oxygen atoms, giving them a push in one direction. This creates the thrust needed to fly the drone. And the best part, it's way quieter than regular drones, making it perfect for delivery missions. But that's not all. The team behind the Silent Ventus is on a mission to make it even better. By the end of this year, they're aiming for a flight time of 15 minutes, all while keeping the noise below 70 decibels. Joto Whiteboard. Introducing the Joto Whiteboard, a game changer for both home and office use. Imagine having a regular whiteboard, but with a super cool twist. It can connect to Wi-Fi and draw sketches all by itself. Need to give a presentation remotely? No sweat. Just let the whiteboard do the drawing while you explain your ideas. It's like having a personal artist right there with you. Your audience will be amazed, guaranteed. But wait, there's more. The Joto Whiteboard comes with a special feature called 365 Days of Art. Picture this, if you own a coffee shop or restaurant, you can update your menu in real time right before your customers' eyes. It's sure to impress and delight them. And don't worry about size. This whiteboard is compact, measuring 393 by 472 by 88 millimeters, so it won't take up too much space. Plus, it's priced at just $200, making it an affordable addition to any workspace. But here's the really exciting part. Everless Smart Bag. Introducing the Everless Smart Bag, a game changer for those tired of endless plastic bags. Picture this, a bag that's as strong as can be, yet as slim as a credit card. It's like something out of the future. So, what inspired this genius invention? Well, imagine opening your kitchen cupboard and finding it stuffed with 324 plastic bags. That was the wake-up call for the designer of the Everless Smart Bag. They knew it was time for a change. Now this bag isn't just any old bag. It's made from ripstop memory fabric, which means it's tough enough to carry a whopping 23 kilograms of stuff. And the best part? The handles automatically snap into place when you fold the bag, so no more fumbling around. But it's not just practical. It's stylish too. The brightly colored case makes it a real head-turner, and that's exactly what the designers want. They're on a mission to get this bag into as many hands as possible, with the goal of saving 50 million single-use plastic bags by 2025. And guess what? People are loving it. Lochett and Litl Lochett. Introducing these Lochett and Litl Lochett, the ultimate magnetic storage solution that can hold just about anything. Created by innovative minds, these holders come in two sizes. The Lochett, weighing 71 grams and holding up to 4 kilograms, and the Litl Lochett. Ringo water bottle. Introducing the Ringo water bottle, for example. It's not just any ordinary bottle. It's a multitasking marvel. Imagine this. You're out and about, and you need to video chat or watch a movie on your phone. Well, with the Ringo water bottle, you can do just that. It's got a clever stand built right into it, so you can prop up your phone and enjoy hands-free entertainment wherever you go. But that's not all. The Ringo bottle isn't just tech-savvy, it's practical too. It's got special magnets on the back that work with iPhones 12 and newer models, and there's even options for other smartphones too. Plus, you can adjust the angle of your phone, whether you're holding it vertically or horizontally. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.